On the weekly chart, we're going to take a look at Apple in here. We closed in here right at 238.97, almost to that 239. We're up on the day around 82 cents. And that's with the big volatility that we had in here overall with that PAL news. Interest rates being cut 25 basis points with more to come by year's end. Now, where does that kind of put us here on this overall chart? Well, we are holding above that 237. That was our previous resistance, as you can see, as last week. So we are still holding above that. Anything below there, if we do end up breaching that, we're going to be looking down here right around that 234.41. And now, first up as our resistance is going to be that 240 psych level. Anything above there, you're looking at 244. If we can get above that 244 and quickly, then there's really not a whole lot slowing us down to get to that 250 range. As far as our implied volatility goes, obviously you had a crazy day in here where you had kind of an expansion and a contraction all in once, and then a little bit more of an expansion again. So Ivy Rake sits in here right at 12, $3 expected move priced in by this Friday's expiration. That's going to be your September monthly expiration. So a lot of volume coming in here on both sides in here overall. A lot of liquidity, more liquidity than usual, just because you also had PAL coming in today with that news. So a lot of volatility, a lot of liquidity, more so than usual today. So kind of keep that in mind as you're looking at your options chain and that volume and that open interest on either side in there. You have $6 expected move priced in by next Friday. The following, right around an $8 expected move is what everybody's pricing in here for this underlying. So we're going to see what happens as we continue on throughout this week. 2 more trading sessions left in the week. We're going to see where this candle in here closes. Is it going to be below the 237? Is it going to hold the 237? If it does hold the 237, 240, and then 244 are going to be the next numbers that we're looking at and keeping our eye on here in Apple. All right, guys, if you like this video, make sure to check us out on all of our social media. We also have a Discord service if you are interested, and you can find all of our socials in the description below.